All right, so I'm back to the bathroom. I threw the old bathroom out yesterday, and a little over a week ago, I had a plumber come in, and we set the new tub and did all the plumbing, and moved the drain from this side to the other side. And right now, I need to move these electric wires. This electricity, I gotta drill through those studs, unhook them, and route the wires through that so I can put board up. Then I'm insulating, and I'm insulating, then putting the board up and tiling. So last spring I totally redid this bathroom and tiled the whole place. It's just today I did the final little details, which is the low sounding exhaust fan and this color. Just put that on. I really do like how the mirror affects everything when you look into this bathroom. Great transition here. Completed.